Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable the camera timer on OnePlus Nord for 5G. In order to do that, first we need to open the camera app, and now in order to find the timer we need to press on these three lines in the top right corner. And there we go, we have the timer. By default it is of course disabled, but you can also enable the 3-second timer or 10-second timer. You can also see the number on the shutter button now, so that you always know the selected timer. In addition to that, as a tip actually, we can use the interval shooting as well. So if you select this option and if you enable it, then you can choose a specific interval. So over here we have the slider and we can move it to take a picture after a specific number of seconds. And by doing so you can select, for instance, 4 seconds. There we go. So now we will take a photo after 4 seconds. And of course, in addition to that, we can choose the number of shots. So if we select 30 shots, then every 4 seconds we will make a photo until we make 30 of these. So of course we can cancel that. So if I select, for instance, 15 shots, that's fine. But if I press it, then we have 4-second timer. And there we go. Of course, the screen is dark, so it uses the night mode. And as you can see, now it takes another, but we can stop it so that we can take just one photo and then cancel it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.